How's the jacket? Jacket's still looking good? Yeah? Right, let's go. I have 3x minus 5 is equal to x plus 7. Okay, once again, it's a mathematical statement that says the expression on my left-hand side is equal to the expression on my right-hand side. I'm using these words purposefully. I'm using the words expressions and statements and stuff so that you can get used to the language. So I've got an algebraic expression on the left, and I have an algebraic expression on the right, and this statement is saying that the two are equal. We are trying to find that unknown variable's value that makes it equal, that makes it true. So, anyone want to give me a head start? What am I doing? What's our purpose, first of all? We are wanting to isolate x in order to find its value. So, how do I start by isolating x?
3x minus 5 plus 5.
So we want to get rid of the 5 on the left, right? So we're going to be adding 5. And we're going to be adding 5 here too. Okay. Then, like I said, I activated the additive inverse operation, which is going to make that 0. So I'm only left with what on the left-hand side here? 3x. And I'm simplifying here to get plus 12. So similar to the previous one, I am now going to do what? Is everything in the right place yet? Is everything in the right place? No. What must I still do? The x must come over, although I don't like that terminology. Okay, it doesn't come over, we subtract it from both sides. Okay, but that's what's happening. So I'm going to subtract x on the right hand side. And I'm going to minus x on the left as well. And I simplify. What is 3x minus x? 2x. What is x plus 12 minus x? 12. It's just 12 because x minus x is 0. So that's just 12. And now, do I have x by itself? Is it isolated? No, it still has a 2 attached to it, the coefficient of 2. I don't want the coefficient to be 2, I want the coefficient to be? I want the coefficient to be? I want the coefficient to be? 1. Okay? In other words, it must be x, 1x. So I need to do what now? I need to, which is what you're saying, divide. So I'm going to divide by the coefficient of 2, and I will divide by the coefficient of 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, which will leave me with 1x or x, and this would be 6. Okay, that is the process once again. All we are doing is, we're doing that the whole time. Simplifying.